A real friend is someone who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Good morning to respected vice principal, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Nuyareem Rai from grade 782, and I am here to talk about friendship. Friendship is one of the most valuable gifts in life. A true friend is someone who understands us, supports us, and stands by us in both happy and difficult times. Friends make our life more enjoyable and help us become better people. A good friend is honest, kind, and trustworthy. Friendship is based on love, respect, and understanding. Friends share their joys and sorrow, help each other solve problems, and encourage one another to achieve their goals. Friendship teaches us important values such as cooperation, kindness, and loyalty. Making good friends means being respectful, helpful, and honest. In today's busy world, a true friendship is precious. We should always value our friends and maintain a strong relationship with them. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.